Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Exercise is 2B, question number 3. Fill in the box. So we have to replace the boxes with the numbers. So first of all, we have to convert 4 into minus 12 and 5 into the box. That means 4, we have to convert the 4 into minus 12. So we have to multiply by 4, multiply by with minus 3, that will become minus 12. So we have to multiply with the same number in the denominator and in the numerator. So the question is this, we have to convert 4 into minus 12. So we have to multiply by 4 with 3, minus 3, there is a minus sign. So 4 into minus 3 will become minus 12. So we have to multiply by 5 also with minus 3, that will become minus 15. So first box is replaced with minus 15. Now we have to convert 4 into 20. So as we know that 4 multiplied by 5 will becomes 20. So we have to multiply by 5 in the denominator also. So we get the answer 5 5 the 25. So this box is replaced by minus 15 and this box is replaced by 25. Minus 15 and 25. Now part number 2. We have to convert 5 into minus 15. We have to convert minus 5 into minus 15. So we have to multiply it with positive 3. So the sign is remain constant. Means 5 3s are 15, minus sign as it is. So we have to multiply by 3 in the denominator also. 7 3s are 21. So first box is replaced by 21. Okay students, now we have to make minus 5 converted into minus 35. Minus 5 into minus 35, so we have to multiply by 5, 7s are 35 and minus sign as it is. So 7 multiplied by 7 equals to 49. So first is box is replaced by 21 and the second box is replaced by 49. Number 3, we have to convert minus 3 into 6, but this box, first of all we have to find that this box with the help of this rational number. So 6 over minus 16, we have to convert 6 into minus 3 and minus 6 into minus 16 into the value of this box. So as we know that 6 divided by minus 2 will becomes minus 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and minus sign, minus 3. So we have to divide with minus 2 in the denominator also, and minus minus plus 2 8s are 16. So first box is replaced by 8. Now we have to convert minus 3 into by replace with the box and 8 converted into 24. So 8 3s are 24. So we have to multiply by 3 on the numerator and in the denominator. So when we have to multiply it by 3, the answer is minus 9. So minus 3 is replaced with minus 9. So this is 8 and 8 3s are 24. So minus 9 over 24. So this box is replaced by minus 9. Question number 4, determine which of the two rational numbers is greater in each case. So we have to find that this rational number is greater or this rational number is greater. So first step number 1 is that we have to make the denominator positive. As you see in question number 5, part number 5, then denominator is negative. So first of all we have to make its denominator positive. And the second step is that we have to make the denominators common. So first part is minus 3 over 7, 2 over 7. So as minus 3 over 7 and 2 over 7 have common denominator and the denominator is also positive, so minus, so we have to convert, so we have to compare their numerator. So minus 3 is less than 2. So minus 3 is less than 2. So minus 3 over 7 is also less than 2 over 7. So 2 over 7 is the greatest rational number in this case. So part number 3 is 1 over 2 and 4 over 7. So their denominators are already positive, so we have to convert them into same common denominator. So they have positive denominator, so now express 1 over 2 and 4 over 7 as rational numbers with a common denominator. So the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14, so we have to convert 2 into 14, so we have to multiply it with 7 and the numerator also, then 7 over 14. Now 4 over 7, 7 2s are 14, we have to multiply by 2 in the denominator and numerator, so the answer is 8 over 14. So as 7 is less than 8, so 7 over 14 is also less than 8 over 14. 7 over 14 is the answer of 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is less than 4 over 7. 4 over 7 is the greatest rational number. Okay students, part number 4 is minus 5 over 8 and minus 3 over 4. Their denominator are already positive, so we have to convert them into common denominator. So the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So we have to convert 8 into 8. So we have to multiply it with by 1. So minus 5 over 8. Now we have to convert 4 into 8. So we have to multiply by 2. So minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So now we have to compare their numerator. So minus 6 is less than minus 5. So minus 6 over 8 is less than minus 5 over 8. So minus 6 over 8 is the answer of minus 3 over 4 is less than minus 5 over 8. So minus 5 over 8 is the greatest rational number. Part number 5, minus 7 over 11 and 5 over minus 8. Now the denominator is negative. So first of all we have to make the denominator positive. So we have to multiply it with minus 1 in the numerator and denominator also. So write the rational number 5 over minus 8 so that its denominator becomes positive. 5 over minus 8 multiplied by minus 1 over minus 1, that is equals to minus 5 over 8. Now the denominator becomes positive. Now express minus 7 over 11 and minus 5 over 8 as rational numbers with a common denominator. So the LCM of 11 and 8 is 88. So we have to convert 11 into 88. So we have to multiply by 8. And we have to convert 8 into 8 into 88. So we have to multiply by 11. So minus 7 into 8 is equals to minus 56 and 11 into 8 is equals to 88. Minus 5 into 11 is equals to minus 55 and 8 into 11 is equals to 88. Now we have to compare their numerators. So minus 55 is greater than minus 56. So minus 55 over 88 is also greater than minus 56 over 88. And this implies that minus 55 over 88 means minus 5 over 8 is also greater than minus 7 over 11. So in the given values, minus 7 over 11 is less than 5 over minus 8 as given in the question. So student, question number 5 is fill in the box by using the correct symbol less than, greater than or equal than. Minus 7 over 12 is greater, smaller or equal to 5 over minus 8. So we have to solve it by this part and then we have to put a sign. So you can solve it easily. Now we have to move question number 6. Arrange the given rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to greatest. Now we have to put these rational numbers into ascending order. So first of all we have to make their denominators positive and then we have to make the denominator common and then we can easily find out which rational number is less than other or greater than other. So step number 1 is making denominator positive. 2 over 5 and minus 1 over 2 have already denominator positive. So 8 over minus 15 have negative. So we have to multiply it with my minus 1 and this minus 10 is also negative. So we have to multiply it with by minus 1. So then we get 2 over 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 8 over 15 and 3 over 10. Now we have to make their denominators same. So we have to take the LCM of 5, 2, 15 and 10. So after taking the LCM of 5, 2, 15 and 10 we get the answer 30. So we have to make their denominators equals to 30. So 5 into 6 equals to 30. 2 into 15 equals to 30. 15 into 2 is equal to 30 and 10 into 3 is equal to 30 and we have to multiply and divide with the same number in each rational number. If we have to multiply by 6 then we have to multiply by 2 into 6. So we get the answer 12 over 30 minus 15 over 30 minus 16 over 30 and 9 over 30. Now we have to compare their numerators as minus 16 is less than minus 15 and minus 15 is less than 9 and 9 is less than 12. So we have to put in order minus 16 is less than minus 15 and this less than 9 and this less than 12. So it means minus 16 over 30 is also less than minus 15 over 30 and it is also less than 9 over 30 and it also less than 12 over 30. Now we have to put the original values like minus 16 over 30 is the answer of minus 8 over 15. Minus 15 over 30 is the answer of minus 1 over 2. 9 over 30 is the answer of 3 over 10 and 12 over 30 is the answer of 2 over 5. And in the question 8 over minus 15 less than minus 1 over 2 minus 3 over minus 10 less than 2 over 5. These values are in the ascending order in which 2 over 5 is the greatest value and 8 over minus 15 is the smallest value. Question number 7 is same as question number 6, but in this question you have to put the numbers in descending order, means greatest to lowest. Question number 8, find the reciprocals of minus 3. So as we studied in previous lecture that 1 over 5 is the reciprocal of 5 and the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. So we have to multiply a number with that number which gives the answer 1. The reciprocal of minus 3 is 1 over 3, and same sign minus, so that it becomes minus minus plus, and 3 will be cancelled out with this 3 and we get the answer 1. So the reciprocal of minus 3 is 1 over minus 3. So as same as the reciprocal of minus 2 over 9 is minus 9 over 2. In the part number 5, minus 3 over minus 8, minus will be cancelled out with this minus and we get 3 over 8, and the reciprocal of 3 over 8 is 8 over 3. And the part number 7, minus 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 5 over minus 6. So firstly we have to solve these rational numbers, multiply these rational numbers, and we get the answer minus minus plus 5 3 is 15 over minus 24. So the reciprocal of 15 over minus 24 is minus 24 over 15. So you can solve this part as above.